The advantage of working with an independent insurance agent like Chad Cason.
Hi, my name is Chad Cason with Lifelong Insurance, and some of you may not know the differences in working with a large insurance company directly versus working with an independent insurance agent like myself. And so in this video, I'm going to break that down for you.
The phone call. Call a huge company's call center or call an agent's cell phone.
So when you call a large company and you have a question that you need to ask, and you have to go through all of those prompts, and then you get to the department that you think you need to be at, and you kind of go through your whole situation, and then they need to transfer you because you're in the wrong department. Well, that's not going to happen with me. As your independent agent, you just make one call to me directly, and I'll answer your questions. And then when you get to that department and they can't answer your question for you, well, then what do? They transfer you to another department, and then you got to go through your whole spiel again and give them all your information again, just for them to say, you know what, we can't answer your question. So that's why you call me, your agent, and I answer your questions for you. So with calling a large company, you know you're going to sit on hold. I mean, that's just a given. When you call your personal independent insurance agent, there are no hold times. Worst case scenario, you just leave me a voicemail and I get right back in touch with you. So also, when you call a large insurance company, they have to verify all your information and put you through a bunch of security checks just to be able to answer your question, and then they may not be able to even answer your question. With me, I know you, we built a relationship with you, so you don't need to give me all this information. I know exactly who you are and the plan that you have. In addition, every time you call a large company, you talk to a different person each and every time. With me as your personal agent, you call me, you talk to the same person every time. I know the plan that you have and your situation personally. And so when you also call large companies, you're dealing with somebody who's got a script that they're using that they have to go through each caller with. And with me as your independent agent, your personal representative, I'm a real person. I'm going to talk to you like a real person. I don't have any scripts. I want you to ask your question, and I want to be able to address your question quickly. Also, getting the information that you need. When you call a large company, after you've jumped through all the hoops and you've gone through all the prompts and you've done all the security checks and you've done all that kind of stuff, you really just want to get the correct information to your question. And a lot of times these different representatives, they don't have the information. They have to go look it up. I have all the information. I know what plans you're on. I know what plans that I have to offer, all the different Medicare plans. If I don't know something, I'll find it out. So working with an independent agent doesn't cost you any more than going with the company directly. So all of the stuff that we've been talking about in this video, you can eliminate all of that, and it doesn't cost you any extra to have all of those benefits and all those advantages of working with somebody like myself. So to get all of the best rates on all of the Medicare plans in your area, working with the independent agent, that's the best way that you can get that done. So when it comes to picking out your Medicare Supplement insurance agent, it doesn't really matter if the agent is local or if the agent is in another state. Both are going to be able to service your needs properly. I'm licensed in many states, and we have clients all over the country. But what I really want you to look at and really focus on is who that agent is that you're working with, and do they care about you? Do they really have your best interests at heart? And are they knowledgeable, and do they understand Medicare, and do they ask the right questions to help you understand Medicare and the Medicare supplement buying process? Hi, my name is Chad Cason, and I specialize in helping people that are 65 and older that are going on Medicare or already on Medicare figure out which supplemental health insurance is best for them. So if you have any questions on any Medicare plans or Medicare supplement insurance plans that are available in your area, and you want a straight answer and get the rates and information you need so that you can make the best decision, please give me a call. I'd love to talk with you. My contact information will be in the description below this video, along with my phone and email. So I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.